So Autoglym Super Resin Polish versus Autoglym Rapid Detailer. So what is the main difference between the two? Obviously the Autoglym Super Resin Polish, you've got to put it on and then buff it off. It is time consuming in comparison to using Rapid Detailer, which is a spray. It leaves the bodywork silky smooth. Out of the two, I mean the polish will probably no doubt offer a little bit longer protection, but the Rapid Detailer is a lot easier to put on because it's a spray. And out of the two, well, I like to go with every so often, sort of every 3 months, I'll use the Super Resin polish, and then in between polishing I use the after washing and drying I use the Rapid Detailer. The polish in Halfords, I think the cost is, I think it's around about £6.95, where the Rapid Detailer, it may be on a bit of a deal in Halfords at the moment because it's below £10, but I think it's normally about £11 something. And it does last quite a while, as does the Super Resin polish. But out of the two, I quite like using the Rapid Detailer because it is quick and easy. It really leaves the bodywork silky smooth. Probably feels a bit smoother actually than the Super Resin polish, and it also beads on the Rapid Detailer, I've noticed, after applying it. If you have rain, sort of day or couple of days later, it seems to bead quite well. So they're both, obviously there to enhance the bodywork of a vehicle. I say the only other advantage really, I suppose, with the Super Resin polishes is if your bodywork's a little bit dull or a little bit faded, it will brighten it that way. Sometimes I'll even go with putting the Super Resin polish on and then going over with the Rapid Detailer afterwards, which is another option. But they're both two really good products. If you haven't got much time after washing and drying your vehicle, Rapid Detailer is a good product to use. If you've got a bit more time, maybe go with the Super Resin polish. And you probably don't want to polish, because the Super Resin polish has got a slight cut to it. You probably don't really want to keep on polishing the vehicle. I'd say sort of, once a week or something. You'd probably be better off to use the polish and then use the Rapid Detailer a few times and then use the polish again. So there we go. So they're two very good products from Autoglym, and that is the Autoglym Super Resin polish and the Autoglym Rapid Detailer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a comment, it would help a load. I hope you all have a good day.